Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to do a review of the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner. I've seen a viral video going around of a girl like using this, and it looked so good and it looked so moisturizing, so I decided to try it. Now I did wash my hair about 3 days ago, and I cleansed it with the Diva Curl No Decadence. No, I'm just kidding. It was the Diva Curl No Poo Decadence Cleanser, and that was about 3 days ago. And at the time I also used this, the Diva Curl No Decadence Conditioner as well, but I just need more moisture. I think because I am transitioning and my hair has two different textures, my ends are really dry, so I need extra moisture all the time. So every few days I go in and I condition it again. Okay, so first thing is I am going to wet my hair. So I'm going to go to the other bathroom and wet my hair because we don't really use this bathroom, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with my hair wet. Now I am going to divide my hair into 4 sections. That way it's easier to comb through and actually really deep condition every single strand of hair. So I just woke up today and I was like, I have to make a video today no matter what. So I woke up and I just grabbed my camera. That's why like my face is like still puffy and everything, but it's all good. And also, does anybody else go through this? Like my under eyes are so puffy. Look at this. Well, hold on. See? It is so puffy. Like, do you guys have any tips, tricks, things that you've tried? So far, I've tried putting the spoon in the fridge. I've tried the tea bag tricks. I've tried like a bunch of eye creams. Nothing is making it go away. Nothing. So if you guys know of anything else, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would really appreciate it. Because I just feel like I always look sick, and I'm not sick, and I'm not tired either. I'm getting enough sleep. I'm getting my regular 8 to 9 hours of sleep, sometimes a little bit less, but that's really rare. I go to sleep pretty early. I think I eat pretty well. I take vitamins and everything like that. I take care of myself, so I honestly don't know what's causing it, and it's frustrating. So if you guys have any tricks or tips for me, please comment down below. I would really appreciate that, and I would love you forever. Okay, so first my first section is separated. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. Okay. And just cause I'm just gonna remove this cap because I hate squeezing it multiple times. So I'm just gonna, let me take off my ring first. Otherwise my hair will get stuck in between. Oh my god. Oh my god, this smells so good. I was thinking about going and cutting my hair again. Maybe like cutting it, well, not cutting it, but like trimming it again, because like the ends are really thin. Like I can feel the difference when I'm touching it, and I want it all to be like one texture. Anyways, what have you guys been up to? Are you ready for Thanksgiving? I love Thanksgiving. It's my favorite holiday. And last year was my first year officially like making a turkey all by myself. And it actually turned out good. Like I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and it turned out pretty well. My sister-in-law came and her husband. So you know, girl, I did my thing in the kitchen. I think it turned out pretty well. Okay, I use a lot of products, so. And this bottle was only about like, I believe like $2, which, so I'm really, which is like really affordable. So I'm really hoping that this works. Like right now, as soon as I put it, like it's really easy to run my fingers through my hair. It feels like it's doing something. So, and look at this. Like my hair is just like scrunching up. Look at this, the little curls. I'm just gonna put a little bit more right there. So this bottle is probably gonna be gone in like 2 weeks or less. They need to like make conditioners for black hair because we don't use a generous amount. We use like a lot of it. Okay, so see, it's really easy to run my fingers through my hair now, and I see my curls pop in. They're revived, whatever they call it, revived. Ooh, look at that! I like it. Okay, my hair is not dripping anymore, so I'm gonna take this off. So I'm just conditioning it in here to show you guys. And then I'm gonna jump in the shower and start my day. I think it's like about 8 o'clock right now in the morning. I woke up early, trying to be a productive person in life. Today's my day off, and I'm actually about to start a new job. So I don't know if I've told you guys before, but before I was working as a Chanel ambassador for the cosmetics line, and I was looking for more of a full-time role, you know, something a little different. So I just got a job with Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I'm about to start that. I'm super excited. That's going to be full-time, so I'm going to be a little bit more busy with that. But you know, I've not had a full-time job in a minute, so I'm really excited, you know, like to be like just busy and to know that you have a schedule, something to follow. I like to be busy because before I got married, I was literally never home. I lived by myself and I was always on the go. I either had school, and then right after school I would have my work clothes in my car, and I would go to the bathroom and change super fast. Then I would just go to work and then come home, eat dinner sometimes, and then I would just start with homework, so fall asleep on the couch or in the living room, then wake up and do it all over again. And I don't know, I really like that lifestyle because I always had something going on. I'm the type of person, if I don't have something going on, I'll go crazy. And this will give my husband a chance to miss me a little bit more. I think. Because we're always around each other, we're always together, so. See? Super easy to run my fingers through. I'm gonna part it. I think I've used 1/5 of the bottle already. Yeah, this is not gonna last for 2 weeks at all. I don't know, I feel like it's so difficult to be natural because sometimes I just don't know what to do with my hair when I'm about to go to work. I wouldn't let my hair breathe, so I'm thinking about getting my hair braided. I've already probably told you guys that. So that's something I'm thinking of doing. Anyways, I don't brush my hair as I'm conditioning it because that's just more hair loss that you're going to be causing. I wait until I'm inside of the shower and the water is running through my hair. And then I'm going to use my Denman brush. Oh my god, this thing is so amazing. I love it. Anyways, my battery's dying, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side since my battery's dying, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair and show you guys what it looks like. So I will be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just came out the shower. My hair is still wet and damp, so I rinsed off the conditioner, which was the Herbal Essence conditioner, and I actually really liked it. It smells really good. It does feel really hydrated. My hair feels really lightweight as well, which is key for me because who wants heavy hair? Okay, so that's another plus. I would give it like a 9.5 out of 10. I really like it so far, but I won't be able to tell until my hair is completely dry. So if you want to follow up, just follow me on Snapchat, and you can ask me a question on there and I'll answer you. And I'm probably gonna follow up on there as well in a few days and see if my hair still feels really hydrated. Anyways, I'm gonna brush it so that you guys see what it's done. So this is my hair now. So see, it feels like really hydrated. And right now, it doesn't have any product in it, so this is just with the conditioner out the shower. So see, I have like a little bit more curls. My curls are a little bit more defined, so you can tell it's a lot more hydrated than before. So yeah, I really like it. So see, this is my hair. Now I'm just gonna go in with the rest of my hair. I'm gonna use the Diva Curl leave-in conditioner, and then also this hydrating curling cream, because later on I think I'm gonna do flexi rods or perm rods for my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see that video of me doing a perm rod or how I do it, just let me know in the comments down below. If you have any requests, let me know down below. If you guys like how it turned out, let me know down below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.